Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. It's me, Pierre Farrugia, and I am with the Falzon family. We have John, the singer and the guitar player. Then we have Rose, his wife. We call her the manager, so we have the troublemaker, which is Zoe, and I have my troublemaker, which is Cheryl. And we are going with the boat. And today, hopefully, if I manage, I got my underwater drone, which I will try to check underwater with, although I will snorkel as well. I think we are going to the northwest of Malta, somewhere like that. Where are we going?
Yes. Northwest.
The captain says yes, so
and the wind is from south and it's not very nice here.
even there's too much the smell of
It will
the
be a
car.
bit dirty.
Alright, we have this is Marsascala here. We are leaving German, and we are with the boat today. Zoe is eating something. What are you eating, Zoe? Yeah? How are you? Good. Ora kemmi brava. Manna nara. She doesn't eat anything and chose. And me, I eat everything and it chose as well. Here, a smart city in Shire. This is where I used to live before, in front of the sea. A little bit choppy today. This is the entrance to Grand Harbor. Here is St. Julian. You can see by the towers, a little bit choppy. And we are going here. Here's the tower. And look what we have here. Sailing is good. We are on anchor now. We made it to Qalet Marku. Let me show you. We came here last time. There's the tower there. And we have lots of boats here. And now let's prepare everything so we get jump into the sea. Three. Finally, let me put the fins on. We have John out there. We have Zoe, mela, nothing, no floats. Just the noodle. Hey, I jump so we'll be in the video. Hey, one. Hey, one. Two. Hey, 1, 2. Where jump. She doesn't want to jump. Check the anchor is okay, and now I can snorkel a little bit. Maybe I found another octopus. This does look clear and nice. It's not cold. Let me show you the shell of a crab, because I find one down here. It broke in half. This is part of the upper part of a crab without the legs. But let's continue searching. Most probably this one is a piece of pottery, a very old pottery. Here in Malta you can find pottery everywhere you look. It's incredible. And as always we leave it here. Here we have Zoleo and we have Rose as well. And I'm trying to find something interesting under the sea. Zoe, I can find somewhere. Let's go this side. Now back on the boat so I can drink something because I'm really thirsty and I'm hungry. But we have Zoe who wants to jump or to swim or to snorkel again. And as always, her Nana always taking care.
With the noodles.
They are laughing at me because instead of saying niece, I said nephew. But my viewers now are used to my English. So this is the Zoe the niece, Sharon, and that is her mom, so, and that is her my cuñata, so, and my cuñato here is preparing the barbecue for some garlic bread, and let's open some beer, me and him. Let's go. And here the captain, John,
Hello.
is the one who was part of the followers. Many of my viewers now know you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's open the beer, John.
Yes, I.
Yeah, my big that's easy.
Let's do a proper cheers. Cheers, me.
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers to everybody.
Very nice day today.
We should bring him again with the guitar. I think many people appreciated when you were singing in the camping.
Next time I bring.
We'll do it. Now we started taking some garlic bread.
Wake up this morning.
We're doing some toast.
here.
The barbecue.
Eh?
Rose is preparing the toaster with garlic butter.
I have.
And Sharon is eating. How it comes along, I'm not eating. And we have Zoe here. It's important to have her mobile and not to eat. And now it's time for another beer. Now let's try Nemo, Chasing Nemo, the ROV. Let me show you. It's here, this is the ROV. This is winder cable, the Wi-Fi hub, and this is the controller. I'm not super expert in it, but let's try to check the anchor with the ROV. So especially if it's in winter, we can use it to check the anchor. So let's try this out. Well, let's start putting the chasing underwater. Zoe is in the middle. Let's put in the water. It's in the water. Motors on. It's going down. Let's change the pitch. And like this, can check our boat. Going up again. Like this, we can check our boat. Okay. Let's go towards the anchor. Can see the bottom now. Like this, and you can see the bottom. to leave Qalet Marku Bay, and we're going to head towards Marsascala, where we will cook some food and we'll be close to shore because now the day is starting getting shorter. Yeah? So let's go there and we start cooking. Yeah? Now we made it to Marsascala. Where I did last video where I told you it's very dangerous, this coast here, and sun is setting down, and hopefully soon we'll start cooking some burgers, and we eat something before. We are just 5 minutes away from the buoy. We started doing the burgers. Let's check. Good, yeah? It's going down, and we are here at Marsascala. And Zoe, eating. Smile, Zoe, hey, smile. How cute, yeah? Sharon is doing the burger, so
So samil.
and I have to try to put it in my mouth, but looks delicious. The sun is going down, and now it's time to close the vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, bye bye. Yeah.